The same people telling us not to acknowledge our own will pay flight, go to Holy Land and be singing with their name without them knowing that what they are looking for there is here. Oga, if your village have stream, have water, don't look down on them. When you travel, go to that same water, enter there, talk to the spirit that controls that place. They will answer you. They brainwash us for years, kept us in a perpetual blindness for years, and we are using foreign ancestors, calling their names. That is why we are seeing nothing, and our own is here with us. How can I pay visa to go to Holy Land? Just to go and pray in the mountain of Elijah. Who is Elijah? He's not an ancestor. Why? There is a big stone in my village. That when I go to the stone, I hold the stone, call on the God of my ancestors, they will answer me. But do you know that the level Christians have gone in these things, they will have picture. They will say this is a picture of Abraham. Paste it on their house. The question is this: who snapped Abraham in the days of Abraham? Is there any camera when Abraham was existing? The person that gave you the picture, were he there when Jesus existed? Is there any photograph that snapped Jesus? Your own great grandfather that you saw his picture, photo your grandfather. You even saw him. Some of you witnessed your grandmother. You saw your grandfather. You even saw your father. And somebody will now tell you, honoring them is diabolic. Respecting them is demonic. Look at you now. Tomorrow now, give your one at the age of 150 and they buried you. And somebody will tell your children that his father is evil. Even the same that child that rejects you will soon become an ancestor one day. His own children will still reject him. My people suffered for lack of knowledge.